If you want to change message tone on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then first of all we can open settings. And then over here in settings we can do essentially two things in order to try to change the message tone. The first thing that you can do is you can go to sound and vibration. And then in here you should be able to find the default notification sound. And if you change the notification sound, you also change the message tone, because the message tone is exactly the same as notification sound. Message tones are part of notification sounds. So when you receive a new message, then this sound is going to be set up, is going to be played. And if you want to set or change the message tone specifically, so a sound that the phone makes when you receive specifically a new message, then you can actually change that by going to apps instead of the sound and vibration. Now over here in apps, we're gonna tap to see all apps in here. We need to find the messages app. There we go, here it is. Once you go to messages in here, you want to simply go to notifications. And then here in notifications, you should be able to find the incoming messages. You might also tap on show unused categories in order to try to find it in case it's not being displayed straight away. And we're gonna tap on incoming messages. Then in here, we can tap on sound and you can choose specifically the notification sound or the message tone for this app, for this specific notification, so for incoming messages. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.